Hey everybody, and welcome back to the Honeybee Stamps YouTube channel. Today I have two sets of stencils that were released with the brand new Autumn Blessings release from Honeybee Stamps. This first set is called Watercolor Lines. I'm going to hold these up one at a time and give you a look at these. There is a thin stripe. As you can see there, those are not perfect stripes. Those are to give you the look of watercolored lines. Here is that thicker stripe. These are so fun to create your own backgrounds with. And I'm going to first take that thicker or wider stripe. I have that taped onto a painting board there. And I am going to sponge on just some Distress Oxide inks. I have this sped up so I don't bore you with the brushing on of the color. But I'm kind of doing some fall colors. I love these bright, fun colors, yellow, and it goes all the way into a purple. I'm going to pill up my stencil, and that gives you a look of those imperfect, wonderful watercolor lines. Next up is the thinner stripe, and I'm just going to run my brush right up and down the same direction as the stripe or the lines. And again, I'm using those exact same colors as I did on the wider stripe, and going from yellow all the way into a purple. Then I'm going to pill up that stencil and give you a look at the thinner lines included in that stencil set. I just love these. So fun to create your own backgrounds in any color that you need. I just love the imperfect lines there. Now here's a look at both stenciled papers, so you can get a look at the wide and the thin. Now the second set of stencils in this release are called the Confetti background stencils. There's two in this set as well. So first off, there is a larger opening for confetti, as you can see there. And then there is a teeny tiny little, almost like polka dots. That would be also great for snow or rain, depending on how you want to use that. Again, I'm going to tape down some paper and I'm going to quickly brush on. Now this is the larger confetti. I'm going to pull that up and give you a look at the larger one. Perfect for all types of cards, so birthdays, any types of celebration. I love that. Those would be also super fun if you heat embossed some powder on there and made it really super sparkly. And this is the smaller opening for the confetti. Almost looks like polka dots, just randomly placed there on the paper. That would also be great for snow with some opaque white. I just love these. So super fun. Lots of ways that you can use the confetti backgrounds. Here Bobby has used both sets of stencils on her card. She used the thin stripe and then the larger confetti. Both of these stencil sets are available right now at honeybeestamps.com.